Welcome back, you guys. I am Lillian from Dreamer Housewife, just in case some of you guys are new. And I'm going to be doing an unbagging. It's not a box, so I'm going to call it unbagging, and it's from Splendies. I seen somebody open this and I was like, I have to try it, especially because I was in need for underwears. My husband, this is a little like TMI, but he was like, girl, I think you need new underwears. And you know, as parents, we put ourselves to the side a little bit, I guess, in that kind of department. Well, I do. And you know, we gotta look good for our husbands too, or our partners. So I was like, okay. So I went to the store and I bought some underwears and they all shrunk. And I think it's because they were like cheaper and cotton. And I heard that this is inexpensive and that it is really cheap. So you get 3 pairs of underwears for $16 a month, and your first one you get half off. So I actually paid $8.08, like after taxes and everything. So I thought that was pretty good. I watched a couple of these videos and they say they're good quality, so they don't shrink, so we're gonna see. So there's 3 different options of this one. So you can get all thongs or all regular underwears, or you can get mixed, and they have all sizes up to, I think, 3X, I'm gonna say. I think that's what they have. So let me go ahead and see. I've never opened this before. Let me see what I got. Okay, so I got one that's like a fallish color and I really like it. It's cute. This one is a thong. So it is lace. You guys can see it's like a mustard yellow, and then look at the back, how cute the back is. I love this right here, this little detail. Here is the second one. It has like, I'm gonna say flowers and leaves. Has like a brown, white, and pink. And then it has the lace on the sides, and they're soft. I love that. So here's the second one. It's super cute. I love the colors on this one. This one's definitely like a cute fall color underwear. And yes, only me and my husband are gonna know it, but that's okay. I think it's cute and it's regular. It's kind of silky. Let me show you guys up close the pattern. And then I love the lace on the sides, and I love the lace here. And here's the back. So overall, I think that that's a good deal. So I paid only $8 for 3 pairs, and it's $16 a month after that. And I think that's pretty good, especially if they're going to be good quality. I'll see in time like how they do when I wash them and when I wear them, to see how long they're gonna last. If you guys are interested, I think it's a good deal, even if you get it like once. And for $8 you get 3 pairs of underwears. And that's why I wanted to share with you guys, because I thought it was a good deal, you know, for half off. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the information down below, so if you guys are interested, it'll be right there for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.